This is install 1, back at the dump, and they are clearing out everything. Got the crusher over there, crushing everything up, and they've moved the pile around a lot. So, just gonna look around if, I'll see if there's anything. There's a garage door opener. Yeah, just go around, look at all the stuff. There's an engine. Ooh, it's not seized up, but well, it might have compression. It does have compression. Looks like it may just be this gearbox. Okay, I think I'm gonna get that. That's really cool. It looks like it's totally fine, except for maybe a leak on the gearbox. Okay, look at all those cubes. Lots of cubes. The stove. Big pressure tank. Microwaves. Oh, a piece of a guardrail. County has been doing some work on the roads around here. There's some electrical stuff. Oh, that's control board. Ooh. That's cool. Old aluminum roofing panels. That's really cool. I wish I could get that. Ooh. What's in here? Ah, it's all broken up. It's another electric meter. An electric meter box or socket. And it's all broken up. But what about down in here? That is also all broken up. There's probably a weatherhead in there that I want, but can't get to it. Let's see. Oh, this roofing is so cool. I love this roofing. That's so cool. Oh, there's another fan. Doesn't have a fan. It's a little capacitor. I already have enough motors. I'm not gonna get another one. Jeez, there's so much stuff. Water heaters. Whoa, that's a lot of compressors in there. Wonder if any of them work. Probably not. Jeez, they're all full of compressors. Why are they all full of compressors? Ooh, another meter box, I think. Yeah, that's a meter box right in there. That's a bigger one. That looks like an old freezer or refrigerator. That's cool. It's been gutted. All that stuff over there. There's some copper tubing. Ah, it's got a kink. I'll take that. I have some stuff that I need to use copper tubing for. Let's see. A lot of just broken stuff. It's not really too much today. A dampener. I need one of those on our truck. Is that aluminum? No, I think that's galvanized steel. There's like nothing that's not all torn up. Jeez, this is a mess. There's a chain. I don't want to mess with the chain. Ooh. There's a motor. Oh, I saw this a while back. It was on an old washing machine. Oh, it's seized up. Darn it. Can't really see my tablet. Okay. I'm not gonna bring that. Oh, here's is that a 6-volt fan? It's probably a 6-volt fan, but it still has the casing. The lead bearings are probably all seized up. Yes, they are. I am not taking that. What is this? What is that? Maybe it's like a hydraulic pump, maybe? Looks like it. Oh, compressor with a clutch. That's cool. Okay, I think that engine and this copper tube are the only things that I'm gonna get out of here. Let's go around the other side of this compactor. That generator or hydraulics. Wow, that's cool. Look at all those hoses, hydraulic hoses. That's cool. Stacks of stuff. And that's it. Okay, I'm gonna load that engine up and then I'll see you there. Okay, I got the engine loaded up and also the pipes, copper pipes in the cab. And I'll do a video on this, either taking it apart or trying to fix it. I'll try and fix it first, and then if I can't fix it, or if it's just too far to be fixed, then I'll probably take that pull cord off and the clutch and use that on another engine I have on the little generator. So thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Next, like probably tomorrow, I'll get a video out for doing stuff with this engine. And thanks for watching. Bye.